How to auto-fulfill orders in Shopify mobile. To enable automatic order fulfillment using the Shopify mobile app, open the app and tap the More icon, usually shown as 3 dots. From the menu, tap Settings, then go to General under Store Settings. Scroll down to the Order Processing section. Here, toggle on the option that says Automatically Fulfill the Orders line items. This will ensure that orders are marked as fulfilled as soon as payment is processed. You can also choose to check Notify customers of their shipment if you want Shopify to send an automatic email when fulfillment occurs. Another option, though not recommended unless necessary, is to enable automatically fulfill all orders, even those with a high risk of fraud. But use this with caution, especially if you sell physical products. Once you've chosen your preferences, tap Save. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.